Hello everyone. This video will show you my process for removing the collapsible steering column sensor on a Ford Explorer. It looks like Ford uses these on all Explorers from 2006 to 2023 so far, but I don't have the information for which years this process will be exactly the same. It'll give you a general idea anyhow, so keep watching and give it a like if it's helpful. Start off by moving the seat all the way back to give you room to work. Then disconnect your battery. Remove two 7mm bolts under the dash and pry the part loose. It's held on by these clips, so give it a little force starting from the bottom. Remove the metal plate held by four 10mm screws. There's 3 bolts on the underside of the steering wheel that need to be removed. Then pry the upper and lower plastic housing apart. Be careful so as not to damage the plastics here. Use a plastic pry tool to be safer. Here's what the connections look like for reference. Note the 2 hooks on the bottom piece, so don't pull too hard if it's not coming off or they'll break. The next 4 bolts are 10mm. Now these ones hold the weight of the steering column. It should hold until you pull it out a little. Just be ready for it. Pull it out and set it down. It should look like this. Remove the 4 T25 bolts to get to the sensor. I would compare your part numbers before you replace your sensor. To remove it, press 2 black tabs inwards and pull the sensor out. That's all, folks. Hope this video made your job a little easier. May God bless you, and may your dashboards stay clear of fault codes.